Yeah, g'day. I'm sitting in the shade today because it's so blooming hot. Today I'm going to take you through the distillation process. Previous video, link in the description, I made up a corn and sugar wash. That's been fermenting for a couple of weeks now and has done what it needed to do. From memory, the calculated percentage of that wash was a little over 14%, so that's good. What I'll be doing next is running it through the still, so I'll talk you through the process step by step. So the condenser and the column have been sitting outside, and you can see that blue residue there. That's copper sulfate. That's our enemy. We don't want that. So I'm going to create a wash made out of just some cheap white vinegar and water 50-50, and I will mix them together and bring it to the boil in my big pot. Put them into the column, put them into and condenser, let it sit for a couple of hours, and then decant the liquid off and give them a rinse out, and that should get rid of the copper. So here they are, full up with vinegar and water solution. Normally I would use citric acid, but I couldn't find any at the shop. Right now I'm taking the specific gravity of the fermented liquid. Starting was 1.095 from memory, finish 0.85, giving us a percentage of 14.04%. I then decant the liquid, leaving the sediment at the bottom, into my keg, which is the body of my still. Today I got 21 litres. And here's the copper sulfate solution I got out of my part. Yeah, so that's the first part of the process. I have shown you how I test the specific gravity. I've shown you how I decant the liquid into my keg, and next step will be heating up that keg and distilling it. I'll be cooking that in late this afternoon, so I'll be distilling till quite late tonight. It's a slow process with my still, so expect a video from that in the next 48 hours. I will also put up one describing the parts of my still. But thanks for watching. You know what to do. Like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, I'd love to hear if you do things differently. My still's a homemade still. It's not the most efficient compared to some of the commercially made ones, but I like the product it makes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.